enlisted me to help her with. She's a praise dancer, and they bought these skirts that they're going to praise dance in. Only problem is she wears an 18, and guess what? This skirt is a size 16. You see that? Let's see. I don't know if you can see. It's a size 16, nevertheless. And it's hard enough wearing something that's too small, but if you're trying to dance in something that's too small, that is not going to work. So she enlisted me to help. So I'm going to attempt to make add 2 inches to this skirt. Now the good thing about this project is, I don't know if you guys remember, about a year ago I also upscaled a prom dress for my friend's granddaughter, and they had to get some material, and I say scraps can be your best friend sometimes. And so I have about I think this is about 25, 27 inches long, and it's 20 inches wide. So what I did was trimmed it off, and I cut off, I got 10 inches, 2 10-inch sheets of fabric. And what I'm going to attempt to do is cut it on the side seams. It's got pockets, but we're going to try to work around them. So I got this to add to the body of the skirt. And then I have some of this left over, another piece that I'm going to use for the waistband to add some more volume to the waist. So if all goes well, these scrap pieces are going to be my friend, and they're going to help me revamp this skirt. So this is the before, and prayerfully I will be showing you guys the after with her in it, and you will see how I added 2 inches to this skirt. Alright, so like I was saying, scraps are my friend, so I've taken the scraps. I had 20 inches wide and 27 inches long, and surprisingly, you guys, I had just enough. I am serious. On the end here where the hem is, it is just enough. So I still have to hem this part to make it, you know, even with the existing part of the skirt. And then it stops right above the pocket, and then I have the waistband to put on. So, bye Joyce. Bye.